everybody. We got a lot of talk about this motor. This is that engine everybody was sitting about. I think I got about oh my God, 125,000 views on it when I was building it. I had people comment, you got paint on the rail, you don't know how to be doing this, you know what, like I said, if you're a rocket scientist, keep doing what you do. But me, I'm an engine builder, and this thing is fantastic. This thing is gorgeous and runs great. It's got all the goodies in it. The gentleman gave us a block, he gave us a crank, and he gave us the rods. I checked them out, made sure I did what I had to do with the stuff, build it the right way. Got a nice forged piston in it. I got a nice hydraulic roller cam, tie bar evolution lifters in it. We got AFR heads. We got a multi-port fuel injection from Holley. Holley's distributor in it. We got some nice, Jesus Christ, fabricated valve covers. You know me, I speak fast sometimes. ARP bolts throughout, Clevite bearings. This thing is gorgeous, and the gentleman is gonna love it. But again, look at the torque and look at the horsepower for what it was. People said we could never even achieve what I just achieved. But hey, what do we know? We're only engine builders. Peace. All right, Josh, I got your father's engine here on the dyno, which is yours now. You wanted to rebuild this in memory of your father's for your 73 Corvette. It's a small block with multi-port fuel injection. Again, we got a lot of hits and talk about this engine. This engine started out with your 73 Chevy block. Your father years ago had a stroker made out of it. What I did was take your block, your crank and connecting rods, and totally went my way with it, with a roller camshaft, multi-port fuel injection, AFR heads, and we made this thing really, really nice. I think you're gonna love the numbers. This will be our final pull. We're gonna see where the hell it goes. Hey, let's check it out. My starter's going. We run so many motors, the starter's going. I'm gonna come back down to our target idle. Real nice, real nice. Great oil pressure. AFRs are exactly where we want them. Real nice. Let's see where it goes. We're only gonna pull a 55. Over 500 horsepower. That's pretty cool. All right, my friend, we did our job.